Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to revisit one of the central themes of my brand, and that is curb appeal. And specifically at Plainview 2 and Hicksville number 4, I'm going to show you how curb appeal equals cash and how you can apply some of these lessons to your own home or projects. After a few weeks of delays, we finally got our sewer and water hooked up, and now we can finish off the curb appeal. And we've got the driveway, and I'm going to walk you around in a sec. But right now, this front is a complete disaster. So let me give you an idea of what my vision is. The driveway and the garage is around the side, but we still need a nice front walkway over here. So I'm going to bring a walkway from that front stoop to the curb over here, and it's going to basically be surrounded by flower beds on both sides, flower beds beneath that window, some shrubs, and sod this entire front yard and wrapping all the way around. There's nobody in my space that's finishing homes to that extent, and that's why we simply just don't sit on them. Every single inch, I mean, look at this. This is a complete disaster, and I'm gonna bring you back here when it's 100% done, and word on the street is that this street is getting repaved in a couple months. So this really, truly, when I bring you back here and it's 100% complete, is gonna blow you away. I know all of you remember me blabbing on and on about this beautiful corner property where we have the unique opportunity to have a guest suite and a 2-car garage on the same floor because we have the ability to bring the driveway around the side. And now I can show you what it actually looks like. This is our basement stair over here, and this is that driveway that I was speaking of. All of this is going to get cleaned up, okay? This black fence is going to come out. It's going to be picket fence all the way around. This extra fill is going to get removed, and this driveway is kind of carved out right here by these borders. You can see one line over there, one line over here. In the literal sense, we're gonna be boosting our curb appeal by putting a new curb, new apron, new sidewalk. All this is gonna get cleaned up, and this is gonna be the 2-car driveway. You can probably park 2 cars and 2 cars, 4 plus 2 in the garage. You got the family room right there. So you've got this family room exit coming to this patio in the back. And that's where I'm going to close off with the 6-foot PVC fence. I'm loving this arborvitae wall. It's going to provide a great deal of privacy for this little entertaining area. I've run gas for the barbecue, and everything over here is going to be fully landscaped. Flower beds, shrubs, mulch, all done. And you ask when? In the next 4 weeks, I'm going to bring you back, and this is going to look like a golf course, guaranteed. Curb appeal is money in your pocket, simply put. I allocate a significant amount of resources on every project that I work on to curb appeal because, simply put, I just get more money for my homes. And you can do the same thing, whether you're an investor or a homeowner. Before you sell your home, take a good look at some of the new builds around your neighborhood, some of the things that are selling for top dollar, and work on your own curb appeal. You can incorporate landscaping, masonry, you can fix that cracked driveway, get a new asphalt driveway down, a couple $1,000s there, a couple $1,000s on landscaping, and before you know it, you're selling your home for $25,000, $30,000 more than you would have if you had just left it the way it was. And you can take it a step further. Sometimes siding and roofing and fixing up some of those things on the outside can drive traffic and really pay for themselves when you go to sell your home. And this is Hicksville number 4. Just like the last house, we're gonna come here next week and get rolling on the masonry. I got the 2-car driveway going in, cultured stone and bluestone front stoop, walkway, cultured stone over here. We're gonna regrade all of this, rip out this old stoop right here, clean up this fence and match it up along the back. Luckily, I got some fence on both sides from the neighbors. Get this extra fill out of here. Check out this basement entrance. Basement entrance is in. We're gonna get a patio over here. Fence along the back. All this is gonna get cleaned up and graded. And just like every other home you've seen me build, when this place is done, sod, sprinklers, PVC fence, landscaping, 100% complete. Just drop your patio furniture down and start living in your brand new home. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this information on curb appeal useful. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I put content like this out every single day. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Have a great day, everyone.